Hello from Devrali. We are leaving Devrali right now. It's 9:22 a.m. in the morning, and that's Corriwallis, all ready to set in the longest downhill. Right, we're in the height of 2,700. What's the height we dropped down to, Corriwallis?
1,525.
Oh, we dropped down to 1,525. Watch it out. See you in the descent. Bye. That's the downhill we gotta go, and that's the village we'll be passing, and down, 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 and I'm waiting on Corriwallis. He's coming down. There you go, Corriwallis, the world champion. Oh, here comes the World Cup, a world champion, yay! Oh, he left me, oh no, dropped me off! Somewhere, I forgot the name of the village, but somewhere it's a nice backcountry kind of and peaceful. Oh.
Oh, nice.
Now we hit this section, even Corriwallis is walking. It was rideable till there. It's not rideable now. Just gonna walk to meet the road down there. Walking.
How's it going, Usha Canal? How's it going?
Okay.
Rough. It's mountain biking.
Go, 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 go. The main road is over there. We skipped the main road and we took this road up. Going up and around, I guess. Gotta go to Kinja. This way. Oh!
Kinza.
Kinja.
I'm speaking Nepali.
Oh. So we are in Kinja Bazaar now, officially in Solukhumbu district, and we're climbing towards Goyam and into Chunbesi today. Starting to climb soon.
Small climb.
Small climb? Ha ha ha. What a joke. It's a big climb, guys. 2,000 meters climb and 13-14K. It's a steep climb. Tennessee has steep it is. It's quite steep. And it's hot. And hot. Oh. We took a shortcut. A little bit away from Kinja, a little bit further, maybe like a kilometer from Kinja. We took a shortcut and we decided not to take a long road which would be dusty and long, but shortcut meant very steep. It's very steep. Little fan of Neymar. Oh, number 10, Neymar. That's Kinja Bazaar. That's where we crossed, and if you can see a small line road on the right, that's where we came down from and connected to the road. And then up, 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 up. This is the climb. This is about 14 to 18% gradient climb, and it's hot. It's hot, but it's a bit windy, so it's good.
She says it's effing steep. It was really steep. We're at 2,100 meters, only 1,400 to go. I think she might get more angry towards the top, but we'll see. She's going strong. Tough climb when you're packing all your stuff. This is why no one else does this ride, but more people should do this ride because it is awesome. We started kind of on the top of that mountain last night, this morning. We're going over this pass to Solukhumbu, which you definitely can't see, but I'll show it to you up the top. Okay.